forecast flood stage is 15.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late tonight and rise to near 17.0 feet. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Vermilion River near Vermilion from late tonight until further notice at 11 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 4.8 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by early Sunday morning and rise to near 10.4 feet by Sunday afternoon. At 10.0 feet, lowland flooding will occur in Mill Hollow Park. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Black River at Elyria from this evening until further notice at 10 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 6.8 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 9.5 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by this evening and rise to near 13.2 feet by Sunday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 14.0 feet, flooding occurs throughout Cascade Park in Elyria. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Chagrin River. It will low be from Sunday morning until Sunday evening at 10 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 6.0 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 11.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Sunday morning and rise to near 11.4 feet by Sunday afternoon. The river will pass a low flood stage by Sunday afternoon. At 11.0 feet, lowland flooding occurs in Daniels Park and Willoughby and along some secondary roads near the Chagrin River. 3 feet major flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late this afternoon.
Wash in effect through Sunday afternoon.